Okay, guys. So yeah, I've been having a lot of questions about. Hold on. So I would go to I would have a lot of questions about my Wi-Fi. So every time I went to, let's go to my settings, and the Wi-Fi, I would come here and it would just say add wireless network. I didn't have any network saved at all. So and I figured out a way, thanks to this comment I read. There weren't any actual videos on this, so I guess I'm gonna do it. So yeah, so in order to fix this, all you gotta do, it's really simple. All you have to do is go to man, I'm sorry if you guys can't see that, but go to power up and start up, hit turn off or restart, and go to this, hit full shutdown. And what's gonna happen is it's just gonna reset your Xbox. It's just gonna turn it off, and it's gonna turn it back on, or you have to turn it back on, and your Wi-Fi should be there. So yeah, if this has helped you out, just let me know. All right, that's all I'm asking. If it's helped you out, just leave a comment. But hey, this helped me out. Thank you, man. That's all.